Are you ready to learn some great new things? Because it's time to leap into science. Hello everyone. We've got a good word to start with. Inquiry. Inquiry. That is a great word to start with. But what does it mean? To inquire means to ask about. To ask about. To inquire. That is how we find out about things. That's a good thing to do in science, isn't it? And that is what science is all about. Asking questions, finding out about all the things around us, and some things that are not around us. Let's ask some questions. We can ask, what is it? Why does it happen? Where does it come from? These are great questions, aren't they? We are inquiring. How can we answer those questions? Well, we've done the inquiring. How do we get the answers? First, we have to observe. There we are. She's observing. Usually, to observe means to look. But this means using our senses to learn about things. How many senses do we have? Well, we've got five different senses we can use to observe things. We can look, listen, smell, taste, and touch. Oh, hold on. Oh dear. Be very careful. Yes, he tasted something and it was not a good idea. Oh dear, stop. Oh dear. Maybe touch and taste should not be the first things we do. Please be careful. Science isn't very much fun if you get hurt. We need a plan. We need to think. What are we going to do first? Then what do we do? What do we do after that? This will help us to get an answer in a safe way. We could also predict. Good word, predict. This is like guessing what the answer might be. We don't know the answer when we start, do we? So we could just make a guess. It's always great to guess. A good prediction helps us to make a better plan. Oh dear, she doesn't look happy. Don't worry if your prediction is wrong. If you knew all the answers, well, you wouldn't need to do any science. You will still have learned something. What? What can you learn if you get it wrong? Well, you will have learned that the answer has to be something else. you will now know what it is not. What's he looking for? Now we can carry out our investigation. He's doing something very important. We collect data. Data is very important. But what is it? Data. That's a science word for information. And it's super important to collect as much data as we can. Finally, we can infer. Another great word, infer. Oh, he looks happy. I think he has just inferred. This means that we look at all the data and try to answer the question. So infer is like another kind of guess, but using all the data. In science, it is usually difficult to be 100% sure. We might collect some more data and it might give us a different answer. That is why we say infer and not answer. So, let's review the inquiry skills we can use. There were 6. Which can you remember? Let's see. Observe. Observe. Plan. Predict. Investigate. Collect data. Infer. Now you have the skills. What question do you want to answer? Well, yes, I have one. Why won't strawberries grow in my garden? I wish I could find an answer to that question. Wow. How many stars in the sky? Well, that seems like a really difficult, maybe impossible question. But with the right inquiry skills, maybe we can get near an answer. Start using your inquiry skills. Go and enjoy science, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.